In this video, we will introduce the Global Accessibility Reporting Initiative, or GARI for short. The reality is that sooner or later we all will develop at least some limitation in vision, hearing, dexterity or learning. To help overcome this and to help us find a wireless device that best suits our needs, the Mobile and Wireless Forum created GARI. GARI is an online database of the accessibility features that various wireless devices have built into them. So to give you an idea of how it might be useful, let's say you have one of the many eye conditions that might cause you to experience blurred vision, or even partially blurred vision. This can make reading the text on the screen difficult. For those conditions, you could use some of the speech functions that will have the device read out the text for you.
Almost 1 in 5 of the world's population lives with some kind of recognised disability.
Likewise, if your eyesight is getting worse and you find that the text on the screen too small, you can use various functions to increase the size of the font. If your eyesight is extremely poor, or if you are blind, then you can have the device speak out all of the content on the device.
Voiceover on. We help consumers to find a device with the accessibility features that work best for them.
There are also many features for those with various hearing impairments and if you're experiencing movement challenges. In fact, many of the features that we use each day we don't even think of as accessibility features. A voice assistant is extremely useful in a large number of scenarios, but for those who have vision impairment, it can make a huge difference. There are a lot of these features built into devices today, and GARI helps you to identify which device has which features. It also lets you look for apps that might extend the usefulness of your device even further. And GARI is not just dealing with phones, it includes tablets and wearables, smart TVs. It doesn't cost anything to use GARI. It's also available in a range of languages and covers products available around the world. So why not visit the GARI website at www.gari.info and have a look for yourself.